Hey, so I'm here in front of the future home of the Edison, which I'm really excited about, and the adjoining location, which apparently has no name yet, but I'm hearing from good sources that it's going to be called Walt's Place. I'm pretty excited about it. There's a theater in there, so maybe get some great music groups, maybe some comedy or some vaudeville style acts. I don't know, something new and different that we don't have at Disney Springs right now. I think that would be really cool. So let us know in the comments what you think should go in this location behind me next to the Edison. So you're looking at the Edison. Below both of those are the Neverland tunnels. So all this is set to open up later this year, so they better get working feverishly. I'm really looking forward to seeing the Edison.